Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to my kitchen. What's happening? Hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to make chocolate brownies. And yes, I have already made chocolate brownies in the past and we're doing it again. And it's actually the same recipe. The reason for it is because I wanted to make brownies, so I went back to my own recipe on my own video, watched it and thought, holy fuck, this is boring and also lengthy and very complicated for like no reason. So I'm here to make brownies and show you how easy and simple it is. And when I say, like, I don't usually ever blow smoke up my own arse, right? But when I tell you these brownies are the best brownies that I've ever eaten, like I would much rather eat my brownies over any other brownie I've tried in my 33 years on this planet. And as you can see, it's quite a lot of brownies. So honestly, these are top notch, right? So dead easy, dead good, dead fast, kinda. I'm going to show you anyway, it'll be great. Sadie's right there, she's chilling, watching her stories, and I've got another video that I'm filming which is in the oven just now. So we're all good. Anyway, let's do this. Right, first thing you want to do, oh that's dead far away, that'll do. Right, first thing you need to do, melt your butter and your chocolate together. Right, so get a bowl. So I'm using a chocolate bar and chocolate chips because my husband is a heathen and he's eating the bar, so I don't have enough chocolate. Yeah, that'll do. It's all going to melt anyway. You okay, babe? And then get your butter and cube your butter. I'm so close to the number I need it to be. Mental. That's never happened before. Butter and chocolate, melt it. Right, so your butter and your chocolate is now melted to a nice glossy mixture. So leave that just to be itself and bask in its glory. Now to the side, while I was melting that, I just mixed my dry ingredients. So in here is your chocolate powder, your flour and your salt, right? All we've got left now is the vanilla, the sugar and the eggs, right? Which we're going to beat the living fuck out of. So, in your stand mixer or with a hand mixer, shove all that stuff in there. Your brown sugar, which is essentially kinetic sand, your white sugar, vanilla and eggs. Smashing. So whisk this until it's really, really light and fluffy and exciting. And you're going to do that with, like, as I say, a hand mixer or like the paddle on your stand mixer. Either one, balloon whisk or paddle, I don't care. Just whisk it till it's fluffy. I think I'm going to use balloon whisk. So I'll see you in like 8 minutes because this is noisy. This essentially is what you're kind of looking for. This like, wait no. Whew. See, it's kind of super light and thick, right? While that's running, your chocolatey buttery mix, we're going to pour that in there as it's running, right? So, back over. Right. If you don't have a stand mixer and you're using a hand mix, just pour in some chocolate and then put the chocolate bowl down and then whisk it and just keep doing that till it's all done. So now that we've got that, all we have left now is the dry stuff, which we're going to sieve in, right? Right, so that's all sifted in there, right? We're going to fold this now, and you only want to fold it until the dry ingredients are gone. Don't overmix. If you're someone who thinks that they can't bake and they couldn't make really good brownies, think of this. Just simple it down to 3 bowls. One bowl has got your butter and chocolate, right? Done. The other bowl has your flour, chocolate powder, salt, done. And then the mixing bowl has got everything else, right? Just do those 3 things, put them all together, put them in a tin, put them in the oven. Like, honestly, I think anybody can do this. And as I say, these are the best brownies I've ever had. If I haven't already mentioned, these brownies go into a 160 degrees fan oven, 180 if it's not a fan, and then all the other stuff. And they go in for 40 minutes. So I'm happy that there is now no more flour in this. Take a brownie tin that is lined and then just pour it in. Bow, 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 bow. What are you saying, woman? What are you saying? You want some brownies? Put that in the oven for 40 minutes. I will see you in 40 minutes. So, Marcus is making himself coffee while I'm trying to film. But he just happened to have abandoned his coffee. So I can making it for him. Anyway, I'm filming like this and holding the camera because my brownie is now out the oven, as you can see, but my tin has popped open while cooking, so I've just sort of abandoned it on this here because I don't want to burn my surface. So pray that this does not explode any further, but once this is cool I'll show you. But that's out of the oven anyway. Stupid tin. Looks like I need a new brownie tin. Fantastic. My brownie is almost cool, but this bit has all caved in because my tin sprung open while it's being cooked. So that's fabulous. Oh! There's like the slightest heat to it, but that's fine. You can always sprinkle like chocolate powder or icing sugar or something like over this if you don't like the top of it, or you can put like, I don't know, an icing or a fondant or chocolate or whatever the fuck you want to put on top of it. Look at that goo. That's what people want. People want gooey brownies. Don't laugh at me, Marcus, right? This is what the people want. Well, some people. You got a bit?
No, I haven't even had breakfast yet.
As I say, mine is still hot, so the centre is still a wee bit too gooey, but once it fully cools, it'll be nice and squidgy. So there you go, that's my brownie recipe. Mega easy and delicious. I'll see you later. Bye.